This is the letter H. Big H, little h. H says h. Lots of words begin with the letter H, like honey, hill, hat, highlighter, heart, hummingbird. What else begins with the letter H? H is for... That's right, hippo. What is a hippo? Hippos are large, heavy animals that live in rivers and lakes in Africa. Another word for hippo is hippopotamus. They have big mouths and spend a lot of time in the water to keep cool. Their favorite thing is to munch on grass, which they mostly eat at night. Although hippos seem calm, they can be quite aggressive and very protective of their territory and young. Let's look at some different hippos for ideas. What do you see? I see hippos in many different styles. There's no right or wrong way to make a hippo. Let's draw a hippo. You need paper, marker, and something to add color. All right, everyone, today we're going to start with a sideways oval. That is going to be our hippo's snout, or the bottom of his snout. From the top of your sideways oval, you're going to do an upside down U from one side to the other. So now we have the bottom of his nose and the top of his head. We're going to do 1, 2 little U's, or upside down U's for his ears. Let's go in and do our eyes. 2 small circles. I'm going to color them in with some bigger circles around the outside. There we go. Let's go back into the nose. Where the snout, I'm going to do a smile line. And 1, 2 little rainbow lines. I'm going to make mine a little bit thicker. Those are going to be his nostrils. And there we go, we have our hippo's head. Now hippos are pretty big creatures, so we're going to give him a body, a big old oval, starting in the middle of the jaw. Up and around. Now at the bottom, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 little feet. A little tail with a teardrop shape at the end. And I'm going to go ahead and add 1, 2, 3 little jump lines at the end of each foot to give him some toenails. And remember, H is for hippo, so we're going to do a big H and a little h. This would be a great time to add color. I'm choosing to make my hippo light blue with a little bit of gray for the details like the toenails, and some dark blue just because. You made a hippo. That's amazing. Remember, hippo is for H. Hip, hip, hooray! Please consider liking and subscribing to Bold Soul Whimsy. Thank you for joining us today. See you in the next one.